The video begins with a serene morning scene, where the sun peeks over the horizon, symbolizing a new day and new opportunities. A diverse group of people from different backgrounds and age groups rise from their beds with enthusiasm. The first scene shows a young woman attending a workshop on sustainable living, taking notes with keen interest. The next scene transitions to an elderly man, eyes sparkling as he reads a thick book about ancient civilizations in a cozy library. Cut to a middle-aged professional participating in an online course on digital marketing, her face illuminated by the soft glow of the computer screen. The scenes shift to a teenager learning to play the guitar, fingers fumbling at first but eventually finding the right notes. Another captures a group of friends trying their hand at cooking a new recipe, laughter and excitement filling the kitchen. There's a quick montage of people practicing yoga, painting a canvas, learning a new language through an app, and volunteering for a community project. The video is punctuated with quotes from famous thinkers like Albert Einstein's "Once you stop learning, you start dying," and Mahatma Gandhi's "Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever." These quotes, along with the visuals, form a mosaic that encapsulates the joy and diversity of lifelong learning. The video concludes with a powerful message: embrace curiosity, celebrate growth, never stop learning. The final scene is a wide shot of a setting sun, symbolizing the endless cycle of learning and growth, leaving viewers inspired to continue their journey of self-improvement.